The spectator can pick any card they like. Let's say the spectator picks this one. Okay. I'm gonna shuffle the deck and I'll leave it right here. Now see, not only do I know your card is the 8 of spades, card is also controlled to the top. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you enjoyed the performance video. This card control is called the Mahatma Control by Mahatma Gandhi. I mean, no, but it could have been, we don't know. It's a bad joke, please ignore it. I'm going to be using the Townside playing cards by Galliard Games for this tutorial purposes. I'll leave a link to these cards down below. Be sure to check them out, right? So this is what you're doing. You go through the cards and ask the spectator to pick any card they like. This truly is a free choice, right? So it's not a force, you're not doing any funny business. It's a free choice. The spectator can actually pick any card they like. So let's say they pick this one, right? The 7 of clubs. So here's what you're doing. When you get this packet back, be sure to hold a break with your pinky, right? Hold a break with your pinky and then cover this part with your other hand like this. Be sure to pause for a second. Don't go into the move immediately, otherwise it will look sort of weird, but we pause for a second and now this is what you're doing. You're combining the turnover pass with an overhand shuffle. So right, if you don't know what turnover pass is, it is essentially this thing, turnover pass. The 8 of diamonds, right? That was a very, very bad turnover pass. Let me show it to you again, right? So 7 of diamonds, right? It's on top now, right? So this is, you're combining the turnover pass with an overhand shuffle. So you go through the cards, spectator touches one, this one, the 2 of hearts. So you pause for a second over here while holding a break, and then this is what you're doing. You're pulling this packet downwards like this with your pinky and your ring finger like this, and while you're doing this you get into an overhand shuffle like this. So from here you do this and then start shuffling. Now this controls the 2 of hearts to the top. How do you peek? This is what you do. When, let's say, the ace of hearts for this one, when you pull this packet down like this, you notice that over here these 3 fingers can slide this one up here like this. They're able to slide the top card up, so you can get a peek over here. So this one, right? While you're shuffling like this, you can, when you push this card up, you can see this card is 6 of diamonds like this. But of course the spectators won't notice because the bigger action, which is you shuffling the cards, hides a smaller action of you peeking this card over here. So this is why it's known as a control and a peek. So we'll go through this again. Spectator goes through and picks any card they like, this one right over here. You pause for a second while getting a break. You combine the turnover pass, which is this, with your overhand shuffle. You peek the card, which happens to be the 8 of clubs, and then you set it down, and then you go into your own routine, or you just reveal that the card is now back on top. I find this to be especially useful for the ambitious card routines because there the card keeps popping back on top. So that was the control. I hope you liked it. This is truly one of my favorite controls. I absolutely love this one and it's super easy to do. So I hope, right, so that was the trick, the control rather. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. I will leave a link somewhere over here, and I will leave a link to one of my videos somewhere over here. So subscribe, get my channel to 100 subs, and yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.